Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Mojang accounts are deprecated. You must use a Microsoft account to access modern Minecraft editions. Start by confirming you can sign in at account. Microsoft.com and that your email is active. Purchases, licenses, and username migrations now link directly to a Microsoft account email address, so log in with the address you want tied to the game. For security, create a password with at least 8 characters and enable two-step verification in account settings to protect purchases and playtime across devices and platforms. Open a browser and go to Account. Microsoft.com, then choose Create Account to begin registration. Enter an email address or phone number you control, then create a password of at least 8 characters and a secure recovery option. Microsoft sends a verification code to that email or phone. Enter the code to confirm ownership. Fill out basic profile fields like name and region, accept the service terms, and immediately enable two-step verification in security settings for stronger protection of purchases and your Minecraft identity. Buy Minecraft from the official Microsoft Store, Xbox site, or redeem a boxed or digital code while signed into your Microsoft account. The license will attach to that account. If you still have an older Mojang account, use the migration flow when prompted in the Minecraft launcher or account page to link the old Minecraft profile to your Microsoft account. Follow on-screen verification and confirm your chosen username. Once complete, sign in to the Minecraft launcher with your Microsoft account, verify purchases, and keep two-step verification enabled for ongoing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.